Hello, boys and girls, here we go. All right, so we're going to get this math and reading done. And then when you are done with the math and reading, you have 7 more days left. All right, so let's get this done. All right, first things first, math. We have the piggy page, right? This is your 15th page in your packet. What coins do I have? Okay, I will read each one of them to you, so just work through it with me. Pause it when you need to, and you'll be done with math when we're done with this video. Okay, number 1. Piggy says he has 24 cents. What coins do I have? 3 quarters and 1 dime, 1 dime and 1 nickel, 2 dimes and 4 pennies. Okay, pause it while you're finishing it. Some of those, they shouldn't make sense as soon as you hear them. You should be like, that's ridiculous. There's no way that's it. And cross it out while I read it. Then you might only have 1 or 2 choices left in the end. Okay. The next one, the piggy has 54 cents. It says, what coins do I have? 2 quarters and 4 pennies, 3 dimes and 1 nickel, 1 dime, 1 nickel, 1 penny. Okay. Pause it while you're finishing that one. Number 3. Piggy has 40 cents. What coins do I have? 2 quarters and 1 dime, 1 quarter and 1 nickel, 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 1 nickel. Okay. Pause it while you're doing that one. Number 4. Piggy has 32 cents. What coins do I have? 2 nickels and 2 pennies, 3 dimes and 2 pennies, 1 quarter and 1 nickel. All right, pause while you're finishing that one. I'm sorry, there's some dog noise going on in here again today. All right, number 5. Piggy has 17 cents. What coins do I have? 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. 3 nickels and 4 pennies, 1 quarter and 2 pennies. Okay. And then your last one, number 6. What coins do I have? 1 quarter, 2 dimes, B, 3 quarters, or C, 3 dimes and 2 nickels. Okay. So pause while you're finishing that up, and you're all done with math. Okay. So now we're back in our reading textbook. We are going to look at the vocabulary for a story called, now you can have a choice on how you want to pronounce her name. I usually say Cool Ali, but it might also be Cool Alley. You could say it either way, I believe. So you pick the way you like. Okay, so let's look at some of the vocabulary here. I'm looking at the yellow on the side. This is page 96. We have admired, fussed, haze, mimicked, notice, and pale. Okay, so admired is when we look up to someone. Okay, they may be considered almost our hero if we look up to them. Fussed means like to complain, right? You might say a baby fusses. That means like cry, whimper, whine, fussed. All right, haze. This you talk about in particular when you have hot days. You might hear someone say, oh, it's a hot, hazy day. It's almost like you can't see totally through the air. There's a bit of haze in the air. Mimicked means to copy. Okay, if someone mimics you, they're copying you. Notice means to see for the first time. And pale, in this case, is talking about the color, right? It's a faint color. Or if someone says you look pale, that would mean that your skin is not as bright as it usually is. It's a pale color. Okay, so now you have to read it. That's your job to read it, and that's it for your job today. Okay? All right, so get that done, and you are done. Have a great day.